Ladies, gentlemen, and those not defined by social abstracts, I present Project Tycho. Radical reactionware redesigned for miniaturized, on-demand, high-yield chemical synthesis. It's a little out there, so hear me out. Springboarding off Project Joyous, the lab preparation of endogenous neurotransmitters, dopamine, adrenaline, serotonin, and the like. For my first trick, I'll apply ChemPlayer's pioneered microwave-assisted nitrostyrene reaction in a one-part reactor vessel. Heating benzaldehyde, nitromethane, and a dash of catalyst spits out spectacular beta-nitrostyrene crystals, a virtually fail-safe procedure before extending into one-step decarboxylations. Industrial, lab, and microscale chemistry is often practiced in metal, ceramic, and glass vessels, the yield of each process determined by unalterable reactor design. Recently, Leroy Cronin and Philip J. Kitson's groups have pioneered 3D printing vessels for this wide array of chemical reactions to astounding success. The level of control awarded these desktop devices is unparalleled. This could bring seized means of on-site chemical production into high schools, homes, and hospitals. Adapting Kitson's STL, OpenSCAD files, and procedures, this study will explore the mathematics involved in adjusting and optimizing specific syntheses and evaluating reaction conditions. Now, usually animation software, Blender, Maya, FreeCAD, and others allow users to hand sculpt designs. Michelangelo's carving statues from virtual marble. Not so here. OpenSCAD is basically 3D Desmos, command line software. You must input any and every change to the 3D model using basic programming and math. There is no alternative. It's as migraine-inducing as you might imagine. However, this approach can be exploited in future efforts to streamline and automate this process. Initially reaching for the undefeated colossal cubane as an artistic subject, the notoriously complex synthesis must first be conquered before marveling in the splendor of pharmaceutical and energetic breakthroughs. It is possible to synthesize cubane this way, but it's way out of the criteria, so it won't be addressed.
No, in fact, it was so ridiculous during the height of the mephedrone media scandal that just experimentally I started sort of trolling English journalists to see if I could sell them fake stories, and it was frighteningly easy. There's just a molecule called cubane. It's a cube made of carbon atoms that was synthesized at the University of Chicago in the 60s. It's sort of like one of these organic chemistry oddities. It's extremely difficult to synthesize. It has never been incorporated into any kind of a drug structure. But just as a joke, I started telling people that it was becoming a new major threat to public health. And immediately I would get these impassioned responses like, can we get you on the phone? We need to talk about cubane. What I think is really interesting about the ambivalence that I described is that it gives people a lot of power. These same journalists who are writing the scare stories would be just as happy to write positive things if they thought that is what would interest people. They don't care. None of these journalists thought mephedrone was actually bad. I've spoken with some of them. They just wanted to tell a good story, and that was the good story that they had.
This project has been progressing as planned, first familiarizing and designing a first prototype, contacting original authors and international chemical suppliers with success in the later venture. Now, you may be asking, Nick, how on earth will you undertake this task? Is it practical? Can you meet our deadline? Well, despite divergence from any references, the methods are clearly outlined. It's merely a matter of acquiring the polypropylene filament, printing, and testing the vessels. The methods will be detailed as the project advances. This reaction is no alien, nor are laboratory conditions, safety concerns, equipment, and chemical sources both local and international. The justifiably related theory is also well defined. These historically important neurotransmitters are unreasonably expensive and without accessible preparation documents. and the inspirations are extraordinary. Conceptual enthusiasm beaming from early 3D printing technology, first sparked by fictional examples like Star Trek's replicators, now finds solidarity in futuristic devices from action titles like Big Hero 6 and recent Marvel productions. The daydreamed future of these open source developments are profound. Extraterrestrial application in lunar and Martian environments complement their dust polymer amalgam printed facilities. Even in developing nations can otherwise impossibly priced or inaccessible essential medications be formulated. Financial and safety concerns notwithstanding, the project documentation is now publicly accessible on Polymath Pharmaceuticals' website.
We were hoping that there would be a really fundamental change in the world's consciousness, that people would become more responsible, able to use technology more wisely, able to be gentler with the planet.
We'd work until we dropped, and then we'd sleep for a few hours and get up and get at it again.
Please see supplementary materials for more information. Thank you.